G'day cocktail lovers. This cocktail is inspired by a recipe from the early 20th century. Over 100 years ago it was first published, and I say inspired by because I'm playing a bit fast on this. When you see the original recipe, it was equal parts of all the ingredients, which just looks super unbalanced, particularly because one of the elements is absinthe, and the original recipe was saying equal parts absinthe with the liqueurs and the brandy, and that seems, I don't know, a tad over the top to me. And besides, if you make it a spirit forward one, then you get showed off. And I've got a pretty good brandy here, well, pretty good VSOP Cognac. I think it's worth showing off, so it's got to be front and center. But then there's a few modifiers, and I'm going to go with like half a bar spoon of absinthe rather than the equal part that the original recipes had. Also, see the color, which I have to admit I love. It was originally said I use white crème de menthe, and I don't know about you, but I do not use nearly enough crème de menthe to have both a white and a green crème de menthe on hand. It's come up this wonderful color. The cocktail is called the Buttonhook, and given I've adapted it and it's gone this incredible color, I think I'll call my version the Emerald Buttonhook. It's time to do the all-important taste test. Ooh, I quite like how this all comes together, and I do stick by the idea of make it very much centered around the spirit and have the modifiers as supporting act to bring different elements in. None of them are dominating, and I think they're giving a really nice mix of flavors in here. Here's how we make it. In a mixing glass, put 60 ml or 2 ounces of cognac or the brandy of your choice, and then we're putting half an ounce or 15 ml of crème de menthe, half an ounce or 15 ml of apricot liqueur, half an ounce or 15 ml of amaro Montenegro, then about half a bar spoon, around 2.5 ml of absinthe. Add ice to the glass, stir that for 20 to 25 seconds to chill and dilute the drink, and then strain that into a chilled coupe. I'm finding this drink really interesting. It's this bright, almost novelty color, but it is relatively sophisticated flavor-wise, and I'm almost tempted to do the equal parts one just for a really weird comparison, but I'm not going to. I'm going to enjoy this one. If you're feeling adventurous, look up the original Buttonhook recipes and see that it's equal parts, and maybe you want to give it a go. I much prefer it this way, I think, but you do your drinks your way. So long as you're enjoying yourself, that's what counts. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you come back soon. Until such time as I do see you again, I'll say cheers.